Phrasal verb for everyday use.
Blow up to explode. That truck crashed into the building and blew up. Back down. Stop doing something. If we keep protesting the new city Texas, the mayor will back down. Break down. To suddenly stop functioning. When we told her we were moving to the Canada, she broke down. Bring up to mention something. Did he bring up the new idea? Bump into, see or meet someone unexpected. I was looking at store then bumped into the new building of town. Check on to make sure someone is okay. I will check on Ali whether he is feeling well. Call off, cancel. I called off the new business idea. Check out to examine something. The doctor will check out the patient. Check with to ask someone if something is okay or permitted. I have to check with my father whether he allows me to go to bazaar. Come across to find something unexpectedly. I come across with the new smartphone. Come back to return. He came back home. Come in to enter. Can I come in to the class? Come up with to think of a plan or an idea. He will come up with new idea. Cut down to do or use something less. I'm feeling rather nervous lately. I think I need to cut down on coffee. Drop by to go somewhere, usually someone's home for a casual visit. They will drop by picnic place next morning. Drop off to take something or someone to a specific place. I will drop it off at your house later. Ease up on to become less strict about something. He will not ease up on it, on his decision. Fall apart, break into pieces. The business ideal fell apart due to some reason. fall down, fall to the ground. Safdar fell down the ladder, find out, to discover. He found out the new mobile phone. Get along, to have a good friendly relationship with someone. Always got along with each other. Get away, to go on holiday. I would like to get away for a week. Get by, to be able to live through a difficult situation. We don't have a lot of money for food, but we will get by. Get over, to recover from a negative experience. He got over the flu. Get up, to stand. Get up, bring fruits for the guests. Give away, give something for free. The boy is giving away free iPad. Give up, stop doing something. Don't give up. Go ahead, to start or continue a planned activity. He will go ahead to the party.